Domino Workspaces are where both data scientists and low-code users can collaborate to create models or perform exploratory analysis in notebooks. These code sessions allow for one-click access to the software, hardware, and data they want, without any DevOps work, in an open, flexible, yet governed system. By design, Domino's compute environments allow you to easily update and share packages and tools, while being safely contained in a sandbox that can be governed or defined by IT. And these are automatically versioned, so you can always run passcode even years later. I can then choose from a number of integrated development environments, or code editors, a subset of which is shown here. The ability to move between licensed tools such as MATLAB and open source editors like JupyterLab without needing to migrate my code, data, or collaborators is one of the many things that sets us apart. I then select the hardware I need, and it's easy to scale up to larger or GPU machines, even mid-session. You can even choose infrastructure in different regions, cloud providers, or on-premise. Domino supports multi- and hybrid cloud infrastructure. My admins can also control what hardware is shown, restricting certain machines or servers to different groups. Launching a workspace orchestrates all my infrastructure and software, so I don't need to be an expert in cloud, Kubernetes, or compute frameworks. I get to use my preferred development tool, JupyterLab in this case, but Domino is linked in all my materials, like my code, which can be stored in Domino or come from any number of external Git repositories and data, so I don't have to worry about finding connection strings, installing drivers, or moving data between servers. I can track my compute usage and easily change hardware tiers when I'm ready to train my model. And we support your code generation tools of choice, such as Jupyter AI, Copilot, or our built-in integrations for AutoML and Hugging Face foundation models. Everything around my notebook session is saved, so my collaborators can easily replicate my settings, or I can go back to past commits when needed. We can pull and push to the same project, collaborating in real time. And it's easy to save results to various formats, such as PDFs or images, and share those with stakeholders.